cut the kitchen light on so you can see them on the camera? Okay, good. Now put the box back. Smartest fish in the world, reading ingredients off the Flips box. That is too funny.
Let's turn it around so you can see the
Look at him. He's moving with it too. Say, let's see. Oh,
Okay.
that is too funny. Look, he's following the box. He's like, hey, I was reading that.
Flips, anybody? Flips. And the ingredients. All right. Yeah, read them. That's in there too. Yes, it is.
That is hilarious. Fish are friends, not food. That is too funny.
Okay.
You see it?
Out the way, Anthony. Oh.
Look, he is reading that box, y'all.
Hey.